guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are not doing much. What we're doing is just this that I'm working on my head, and trust me, the steps we're going to take in tying it is very simple, straightforward, and easy for a beginner to try out. You want to wait till the end and see how this is being created. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into it. And don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Happy viewing.
To wrap your head in elegance, you see beauty by nature, where simplicity shines. Learn to tie with ease and make it divine. For every occasion, be it slow or fast, you'll be ready for all one day, standing proud at last. With fabrics flowing, colors bright, I'll guide your hands to tie just right. Transform your look in minutes flat, with skills that empower, that's a fact. Beauty by nature, where simplicity shines. Learn to tie with ease and make it divine. For every occasion, be it slow or fast, you'll be ready for all one day, standing proud at last. With from morning's light to evening's glow, your jealous speaks of grace, you know. Confidence blooms, your style unique. In every rap, a story speaks. Beauty by nature, where simplicity shines. Learn to tie with ease and make it divine. For every occasion, be it slow or fast, you'll be ready for all one day, standing proud at last. From morning's light to evening's glow, your jealous speaks of grace, you know. Confidence blooms, your style unique. In every rap, a story speaks. Beauty by nature, where simplicity shines. Learn to tie with ease and make it divine. For every occasion, be it slow